Oh, hey, chat. Hey, how the hell are you? What the fuck's going on over here? Huh? Bree, Susan, P Shenanigan, thanks for posting the link in the main chat on the best fucking community on these platform streets. Carbonite, Terp Derp, Jay, Rick, GCTA, David, Bree, Linnell, Trading Stock, Marco, Saeed, Scott, Just Ain't Right, Mwah, Ma Barley. A couple of people did get caught in that crazy candle. I'm glad I wasn't one of them. Kasalisk. I was just starting to look at the charts. I didn't trade it all last night. Dr. J, Kenny, Cody. You could trade contracts for the World Cup? What the fuck? It's a trap. Greg. TTA. Oh, yeah, always. What else is new? That's fucking crazy, Cossalis. NJ. All right, so check this. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know if anybody was on my stream earlier today when I was kind of struggling with my Take Profit Trader Pros. Well, it got even worse. I'll show you. Let me just turn on my screen sharing, guys. It got even fucking worse. It got even fucking worse. Let's see if I can find it in the Discord, guys. Right here. I went down even more. I might have been down about $1,000. But on the stream, I was up. On the stream, I was down like 400. Then I got back to break even or close to it. Then I was back down. It was fucking stupid. It was fucking stupid. And then it got bad. It got really bad. I was like, well, I could kiss these goodbye. I literally said, I'll try to save these for Power Hour stream, but I don't know. And then it's okay, guys. I did not blow them. We got back to fucking break even plus $50. Woo! What's crazy is this is a 618. This might be a 786. And I missed that. I wasn't even watching after that. I was just happy to get the fuck out. Yeah, basically a 786 bounce. And this shit just fucking popped. 50 fucking points, yo. Now it's pulling back. What else is new? We're approaching the 707. I expanded my fib on the larger time frame. We have this high here from Tuesday, June 30th, last Tuesday. And then this low here from Wednesday, this week. And I had the high here, and we blew through all of the levels. So I expanded it to the more appropriate spot. There were opportunities. This was like a 618 rejection, I think. I don't remember. No, it was like a 707 or something like that. I don't know. But it's a 618 here. But now we're approaching the 707. Guys, look at gold. Look at gold, guys. 4-hour chart. It looks the same. It looks just like fucking. Oh, that's the NQ. Never mind. Sorry, guys. That's not gold. Look at gold, chat. It did come to the 707 here and rejected. And then it bounced off the 786, like literally this low, this high. It literally fucking went right down to it and bounced for 40-something points, which is 400 ticks. Guys, but good news. My Take Profit Trader accounts are green on the fucking day. I don't care. I didn't trade them yesterday. And if this is all I end up getting, then this is all I end up getting. But I promised that I would be. I promised, as the fucking title suggests, I will be trading my live Apex Trader Funding account. Call me 0 Day Jane from now on. The transition is complete. They turned my hot dog into a fucking bun, and I can trade live. And this is I'll show you. Here's my account this is my Apex Live account. Apex Trader Funding not live. Here's the shit right here. It's active. And look at this. I have a bonus vault. I don't know how this works. I want to learn more about it. V33, Gian Rich. Yeah, TTA, I hate trading like that. I just want to get what I want to get and be the fuck done. That's pretty much what I did with these fucking Bullinoxes. Look, I got 531 on the leader and 531 on the follower. It was how many trades? History. Today. One trade. It was one fucking trade. I got in. Maybe it was 2 trades. Yeah, I went in short. Both of them were shorts. 2 trades. 530. Yeah, because the first one I was up like 300. And I wanted a little more because I'm a fucking idiot. But hey, we're at 3,771 on the follower and 3,705 on the leader. And I'm 8 days in. I'm 8 fucking days in on these Bullinox funded accounts. I'm 2 days in less than $400 away from $3,000 in worth of payouts. Wish me luck, guys. Let's see what's going on with any of these other ones. Do any of these? No, none of these have drawdown. These are all blown evals, blown cheapies. All right. But look, here's my fucking Apex account. I want to see what this means. Ah, look. I had 3 funded accounts. I don't know how this works. I got to learn more about it, but migrated from SimPA, migrated from SimPA, and migrated from SimPA. 3 different accounts I had. That's what I had at the time. So I don't know what any of this means. The bounce. What? Well, whatever. Oh, this goes up in this. You do the math here and it adds up in here. So I got $6,900. I don't know how I'm gonna get that, but I can earn that money. I could get that money somehow. I probably got to grow my live account, which is this right here. This is my live Apex account. Watch live trading, guys. This is my live Apex account. Hey, it's my fucking live Apex account. Jay, you're never gonna get it, Jay. You're never gonna trade with them again, Jay. K-Spec, what up? I don't have a Bullinox curse. I just haven't really traded them a lot. I was having issues trading with them. Jojo80, what up? TJP, yeah, I finally transitioned, guys. But no, I have a fucking trade day fucking curse or drought or dry spell. Let's call it a dry spell, because curse sounds like it's never going to be broken. I would need to have fucking Theo Epstein come in and fucking trade for me. I don't know if anybody got that reference. Some of you guys might. Clinvale, what up? Cut, what up? Live fills are different than sim, yes. Because it's real trading. And it's annoying. It's fucking annoying. You think it's annoying trading this shit? Wait till you trade sim. Wait till you trade live. Coach Eddie, what up? I'm not really sure, bro. Coach Eddie, I have no idea how any of it works. But I'm going to fucking find out. Let's see if I can fucking grow this shit. This is week K-Spec. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Week 2 of coming back since last year, and I'm requesting a payout already. There you go. There you go, bro. Did you take a break because you just shit? It was just fucking. It just wasn't happening, or you took a break because you fucking personal reasons. I don't know. It's none of my business, obviously, but that's a great way to come back. What up, Sean? It's a great way to come back. But this is my Apex Live account, and then here's my Lucid accounts. Right, I got 3 funded Lucid accounts. I just took a payout. These are my 3. So this one I just took a payout on. My first payout in fucking almost 4 months. Next, on the 16th of July would be 4 months, because before yesterday, the last payout I got from Lucid was on March 16th. And then these two I got 3 days in. I'm 3 days in with these. I didn't trade these yet because when I went to fucking log into my Lucid account, well, let me show you the proof of my payout. I mean, I got it, obviously. You know, I don't care if anyone doesn't believe me. I mean, that's your problem. Here's my fucking Lucid payout right there, already in the bank. But then when I went to log into my dashboard to grab a code to give to somebody who won the giveaway yesterday, I saw this. After one fucking payout, it wasn't really one payout. I did get paid 33 grand before fees. But fuck, I got one payout in the last 4 months and I'm being called up to live. I'm kind of annoyed about that, but this is the new landscape with the prop firms. I can't go on social media and be like, they pushed me live after one payout. It's supposed to be 5 or 6 according to their FAQ and their terms of service. Why? So AJ could come on and be like, well, full disclosure, this guy also got fucking 33 grand. Oh, by the way, you're never going to trade with us again, so fuck off. Why would I do that? Why do people do that? And then what? The angry mob's going to go, oh, Lucid's a scam. No, the fact is, I did make $33,000 already with them, and then I got another payout now. Maybe I was 1 or 2 payouts away from them fucking pushing me live anyway. Although I never took any payouts, any account. I think I took accounts to 4 payouts, 3 or 4 payouts. I don't remember. But I can't even get in the dashboard until I do this. So I'll do that after the stream. Yeah, you guys were there for it. That's right. Hey, K-Spec, that's a good ratio. That's a good ratio, my man. Just you know, maybe you just need it, like you said. It seems like you have less maybe you could put less pressure on yourself because you had to pay some shit off. You took care of your shit. You know what I mean? I don't know. It just seems, it's good. That's good. You've had a toss-up account for 5 fucking months? A live account? Let me guess what your balance is. Let me guess. I'm going to post it right here. Is this your balance? You see it in the browser? Is that your balance? Oh, wait, you're not a coach. You're not a coach. This is his balance. It's fucking hilarious. Good shit, though. 5 months. 5 months, man. Super impressive. Super fucking impressive. Now, what are we going to do here? What are we going to do about this? Yeah, and you've been taking payouts on it, right? That's fucking awesome. It's like, dude, it's just been one fucking cuck zone after another all fucking day today. Look at this. Let's draw some fucking cuck zones. Shapes. Where's the cuck zone fucking? Cuck zone. Shapes. Cuck zone. And then look at the size of this cuck zone. Cuck zone, cuck zone, cuck zone. iTrade, what up? Carlos, this is my live account right here, bro. I told you. Oh, Lucid, yeah. Here I am. Another one. That's the 4th prop firm. I'm going to have to start trading with other prop firms because I fucked up my live account last week, you guys were all there for it. With my funded futures, I can't trade with my funded futures for like another 2.5 weeks because I'm cooling down. And if I fuck this up with Lucid, I'll be in a 30-day cooldown period. Guys, this is the 4th fucking firm I've been taking live with. K-Spec, bro, 500 is 500. The best part is you could do it again. Trade if you select is great. I've been looking at them. Vinny Lee, 0 Day Jane is here. It is ma'am. It is ma'am. I fucking I gotta bust out the thumbnail. Boss man, what up, Florida boss man? Bullhead Mike. I think so. I'm not, honestly, I really don't know. I don't know. Let me what's going on here? Let's see. Look at this shit. Like, how the fuck am I gonna trade this? 707. Makes Kelton proud, John. Yeah. Yeah, and then, cut. The worst part about that My Fund the Futures account is what happened at the next trading session. The next trading session was just, the typical shit that has happened to me in the past. I don't want to talk about it like it always happens to me now, because what you say is what you get. But in the past, look at that. That's how I blew put the final nail in the coffin on my Fund the Futures account. Fucking crazy. My live account. And then look what happened. Amazing. Nobody does it better. I'm the fucking GOAT. Anyway, what are we doing here? Just cucking around. Yo, you got a 5-pack? Digital nukes. Yes, sir. Nice job, Carlos. I am not at 7,500 on a month. I'm at like 1,700 on a month because whatever. No, yeah, 17 and change. What did I end up with? 1483.25 times 0.9. 1334 plus 4. What did I get from My Fund the Futures? I still got it. This is still sitting. I still got to fucking sign the agreement. 461.60. I'm at $1,795 in payouts this month. Not great, but it's okay. I'm $400 away, less than $400 away from $3,000. We'll see how that goes on these Bullinoxes. So that'll help. And then, I got this fucking Take Profit Traders at $1,418 with $1,925 of drawdown. So, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we could be really good. But these fucking candles all fucking day. All day, every fucking candle. The House is expected in the coming days to vote on abolishing the seasonal time changes under the Sunshine Protection Act. So no more falling back and springing ahead and all that shit. Tim Morgan, full port so I can feel something. Big tick. They just announced $59 right now. Big tick. They're running a fucking sale. Everything's like 90% off. And then they just announced this. Well, I don't know if they did, but I'd seen it like a Zenith. So I fucking made it my own. Can someone confirm they were able to do this? Every intraday PA is now just $59, whether you pass a 25, 50, 100, or 150K account. I guess we'll find out, right? Did they send an email out? Let's see if they send an email out. Guys. Let's check. Let's check. Guys. Oh, yeah, there it is. There it is. Yeah, it's official. Here's the fucking email. I'm going to take a fucking screenshot of this fucking email. There it is, chat. Use code 0DayJ. 0DayJ is the best fucking code, guys. The best fucking code. I'm posting it in the fucking Discord. I'm going to post it in the fucking Discord, chat. G.I. Jane. It's ma'am. $59 activation fee. You could literally fucking be all in for like what? 65, 70 bucks with intraday at least. Yeah. 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 There it is. This was sent to me as an influencer or an affiliate, but whatever. That's the email I got, guys. There it is, guys. Is that a 786 right there? Oh, did I miss it? Let's see. 707. I don't know. Like, what are we doing here? What are we doing? Any news? I got to blow my fucking nose, I think. U.S. Canadian bridge set to open by late July. Oh, shit. I forgot about that. Iran's foreign minister Aragachi to visit Oman on Saturday, heading delegation for talks on Strait of Hormuz and bilateral ties. Pakistan's PM Zarif had phone call with Qatar, stressed need for restraint, dialogue, and diplomacy to preserve regional peace. U.S. sends team to Beirut to shore up Israel. Israel Hezbollah ceasefire. Pakistan's PM Sharif reaffirmed Pakistan's readiness to continue playing his role as an honest and sincere mediator for lasting regional peace. Fire breaks out in industrial town in Iran's western province of Loristan. Mer News Agency. No explosion occurred in the city of Qamsham. Senator Graham posts agreement to hold Russia energy buyers accountable. Oh. What are we doing here? We're literally fucking going sideways. Let me get my my transitioned account over here. Steve, what up? Vince. Yeah, bro, for real, man. Thank you. You're buying a quarter of a cow with the payout? Damn, bro. Intraday is trash for some people. I don't have a problem trading intraday. It all depends on your trading style. I'm so used to trading with intraday because that's all I did for the first like fucking year. Sanyel, what's up? I have no idea how it works. Honestly, I really don't know. I'm just over here fucking looking to trade, grow my fucking my live account. I don't know what I got to do to get a payout. I don't even know. Dream Chaser. Yeah, this is Apex right here. I'm fucking oh, the deal is with Apex. Jack Boom. Gian Rich. Ron here. Faisal, what up? Got your first payout from Pro Plus. Fuck yeah, good shit. You just got him past the 150K using the best motherfucking code. What's that code? 0DayJ. Great job, man. Great fucking job. Oh my God. Let me get rid of this stupid rectangle because I can't. Maybe I can make it fucking. It doesn't even matter. I don't even care about this shit. All right. We already know. Here's a cuck zone. Here's a fucking cuck zone. That was a nice bounce. 36, 25 points. Don't make more than 3,100 bucks on my live account. How am I screwing myself over if I make money? That's what the whole idea. Tyler, what's up? On the live Apex? Well, I'm not sure what you're talking about, Sanyel. Is that what you're talking about? What they take after you make that Apex takes off their risk. So if you go back below 3,100, you made the account. Can you take the money? Can you take any money out if you're under 3,000 in profit? I got to look into this. I got to look into what the fuck I'm supposed to do. They don't have a consistency rule. I think it's something else. Oh, I missed it. I fucking missed it. Hold on. Yeah, I'm confused. Yeah, I had that bonus amount sitting in there. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck was that, guys? Damn. Almost a 786 is what it was. Nice fucking bounce. 36 to 30 points. Was that news? I don't fucking know. Who the fuck knows? I feel like it would have been a bigger fucking thing if it was real news. U.S. Canadian bridge set to open. We already knew that, guys. U.S. fucking Canadian fucking bridge. I don't know what else fucking happened, guys. I don't like this fucking price action, though. I can tell you that much, chat. What the fuck are we doing here? No, Sanyel, I'm not saying you are. I haven't actually read it. I haven't given a fuck. I haven't given a fuck at all about it because I didn't have it yet. You know what I mean? Let's see. Where's the fucking FAQ? I need water. Jack Boom. My user contract, who reads that shit? Let's see. Live payout program. Profit split is 90-10. How often can I request a payout? Daily. Is there a minimum request amount? 500. Are there minimum trading days between requirements between live payout requests? No. Is there a minimum daily profit amount between live payout requests? No, there is no daily minimum profit required. Is there a cap to live payout request amount? No. Can I request the entire balance? Here's the thing I think that Sanyel was talking about. Payout requests may only be made from profits above. So there's a fucking buffer. The 3,100 safety net level. This is designed to help protect new live accounts during the highest risk early stage. Build a cushion and improve the long-term potential of the account. So I got a fucking buffer on a live account. Hey, it's not nothing I can do about it. You know what I could do? I could cry about it and not trade with them. Or I could just see what I could do and build the account. Those are my options, right? Eligible live withdrawals may create eligibility for a monthly bonus vault payout equal to 20% of your total monthly live withdrawal amount until the bonus vault is depleted and subject to all eligibility requirements. I'm not going to full port it. Sorry, Tyler. I'll just grow it. I'll just fucking grow it. Whatever. I don't like any live accounts at any firm other than the only firm that I would be very excited about being live with if I got the full Pro Plus, not the fucking shit in between, whatever that new thing they have in between. If I got full Pro Plus with Take Profit Trader, that's the only one I'd be like, yeah, I want to fucking grow this and hold on to it. Every other live account I had, I wish I never had. For real. AS, what up? Yeah, but Sanyel, I don't think I can request. That's the other thing. I don't think I can request unless I am $500 over the buffer. That's what it seemed like. I don't know. Look, can I request the payout request may only be made from profits above the $3,100 safety level. GB, what up? Once I blow it, I'll be able to do something. There's something that they offer. Tyler, Lucid is good. I hope so because I'm about to go live with them too. Yeah, because it's their money, Tyler. They want to de-risk. There's the 786 again, chat. Fuck it. No, I don't like that spot there. Well, I just canceled the short. Let's see if it fucking dumps. What's the 5-minute looking like on this shit? Yo, Dimitri, what up? Oh, Tyler, of course. But no one can say that I didn't get my live account. Where the fuck is No Name? No Name owes the fucking super chat $100. PK. Am I though? Am I? Have I? I went on a nice fucking run. That's it. I didn't get a payout for almost 4 months with Lucid, but for 5 months straight, from 4 months, November, December, January, February. Oh no, 5 months. No, December. In 4 months with Lucid, I got $33,000 in payouts, and then I went almost 4 months until yesterday, before I got my next payout with Lucid after many fucking failed attempts. But somehow I'm going live now, so I haven't really been trading that great. I've accumulated a lot of payouts. Golden Paquito. They gave me a combination of both. They did close all 3 accounts. They closed all 3 accounts, and then they took the balances and put them in here for like rewards. So I could earn all of this money over time. I have to become eligible. It has to do with some sort of performance, but this is the balance from the 3 funded accounts I had at the time when they graduated me. And I could also request more accounts. I could request more live accounts, but I feel like I can't just do that. Request an additional account. I probably have to grow. There's probably something to that. Like I can't just request it. I can't just be like, can I have another one right now? You know what I mean? But in the meantime, I would like to trade, but this is garbage price action. Yeah, but there's people that made more. Alfred. Lucid was waiting for this day. They were waiting. They were patiently waiting for me to get one more fucking payout. Am I not in this fucking? Let me see something. Oh, there I am. But yeah, I get it. I get it, guys. But this is fucking garbage. What am I supposed to do with this shit? Sure, we bounced 30 fucking 3 points. Whoop-de-fucking do. I did have an order, and I canceled at 58. I canceled 58.50. A short order. Guys. We're just sitting here. I just completed my transition. Raider, what up? Yeah, see, you thought they were going to scam me. Well, a lot of people who thought that thought wrong, guys. What up? I could have more than one. I could have as many as 5, Pawn. But I don't know how to get the other 4. I'm not really worried about that. Let's see what I can do with the one I have. By the way, Apex is still 90% off, and they just announced that any intraday eval that has the activation fee is only $59 to activate your past eval if you pass it. If and when you pass it. Joel P, what up? I don't know. A bunch. Let's see. Oh, here's the second chance eval to live product. Live requalification. I'd have to pay $200. Minimum days to pass 5. 40% consistency rule. 250 per day required. Profit target 4,000. Drawdown 2,000. Done for now. Loss limit. $1,000 daily loss limit. 3 minis. Up to 5 second chance accounts at a time max. Passing multiple second chance accounts does not create multiple live accounts. Only one live account is available on day 1. The additional accounts need to be scaled into. Carry forward rule. Past second chance accounts do not carry forward. So there's no point in having 5. There's only one point in having 1. Longevity assistance program. Live trading rules. Oh, they have the cutoff at 4:50 p.m. Eastern. Counter position, no hedging, blah, 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 no VPNs, unsustained strategies, account and resource sharing, multiple account creation, common questions. Can I collect? Yeah, get divine. Can I request a bad every day? We already talked about this. Program overview. $10 minis. I could trade as many as 10 minis or 100 micros. They just want you to fucking blow this shit. No fucking way am I going to. Oh, man. I had an order at 58. To go short. I canceled it. 58.50. Mr. Begbeef. It's not very attractive to go live anywhere except for Take Profit Trader. I'm not spinning anything. I'd rather, if Sim is better, guys. I've been saying this. I literally posted this on fucking Twitter. I don't give a fuck. I'm not afraid to say what's on my mind. I don't give a fuck. I'm not spinning shit. I know, and you might not even be saying that I'm spinning it. Look, this is the first. Look, I posted this hours ago. This is the 4th firm I've been called up to live, and in my experience, sim-funded trading is still better. I've been saying the only one worth going live with is Take Profit Trader because the profit split goes from 80-20 to 90-10 and the drawdown stops being intraday trailing. I didn't, but the other one, if you want to keep trading with the firm that puts you live, you have to do it. That's all. Or don't trade with them. That's the trade-off. What am I supposed to do? Just be like, I'm not even going to try? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Tyler, live is just a way for them to fucking reduce their liability. I became a liability because I'm profitable. Because I've taken them for a lot of money. Apex, all the ones I went live with. My fund of the future is not that much, but the problem was I took that Bob the Builder plan for 5 fucking payouts. That was the problem. That was the issue. But that was in their rules. I should have, in retrospect, but I thought, you always think, oh yeah, I'll grow the account and keep getting payouts. And I could have, and I fucked it up because I'm an idiot. Live is just a way for them to offset the liability of a profitable trader. Harjeet. Yeah. Full tilt. Yeah. Alpha's making more changes as well. We have to, exactly. The longer. Yeah, Mr. Begbeef, I know, bro. I know you, believe me, bro. I knew you didn't mean me specifically. But I just want to clear the air for anyone who takes what you said out of context and like, yeah, Jay's just trying to spin it. Because there are fucking people who think that. Oh, Apex. Oh, everybody, not everybody, but a bunch of people like, you're never going to get those accounts. You're never going to get a live account. It's just a way for them to not let you trade anymore. I'm telling you, anyone who gets pushed live now from moving forward, now that they have their shit in place, will not have to wait 3 fucking months like I did. I guarantee it. It's a trap. Yeah. Keep squeezing, keep taking it until I did the same, bro. That's what I did. I took them for fucking 96 in 4 months. You know what I mean? 96 in 4 months. That's why I think I got flagged. But there's other people who have channels with influence who I believe, and I would put money on it, that they're more profitable than I am and have gotten more payouts than me, who are still able to trade 20 sim funded accounts right now as we speak. So that's kind of annoying to me, but whatever. I can't help that I went on this great run. What am I supposed to do? Not grow the account and not get paid? What is this shit? What the fuck are we doing here? What up, Al? Kevin! Exactly. They're just protecting their fucking... It's all about sustainability for prop firms. It's not a I don't know how they were able to do it for as long as they were, letting people take them for a couple of $1 million. You know how many fucking accounts they had to sell after that? You know what I mean? Damn. You have 20. Are you, bro? How do you have those accounts for so long, Mr. Begbeef? Are you actively trading them? The props. Listen, there are plenty of Harjeet. There are plenty of firms you could trade. I tell people all the time. There's so many other firms out there. You don't ever put all of your eggs in any one firm's basket, ever. But why would I not trade with Apex? They gave me a live account. Let's see what I could do with it. If I could trade fucking sim with them, I still would. Especially with these 5-packs. I'd be all over those fucking 5-packs. Now they have no activation fee accounts. Yeah, fuck it. I didn't get filled. I got rejected. But I mean, what do we like? We've literally gone nowhere. We've literally gone nowhere since I got on the stream. I don't know if they have a cooldown. They have this thing. They have this thing where I could buy a what the fuck did they call it? Second chance eval to live program, live requalification. I don't see anything about a cool off period though. Fuck all this shit. Yeah. John Q. Roughly how much? Am I still logged into this account? It tells you. Tells you somewhere. I don't know where it tells you though. There was somewhere that it told you how much you got. Accounts history. Somewhere it said like your total payouts. Hold on a second. Hold on. I gotta hide my screen. Actually, I'm not. I'll look after. We're in the middle of MOC. It was like I forgot like 160 grand, but I did 96 grand. I did 96 grand, 96,441 in payouts from November 21st to April 10th. And these three, I had these. I had three, not these three, but this one I just had. And I was working towards another payout. User and then trade violations. Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about, Susan. Total lifetime payout amount, 164,291. $115 payouts. Accounts with 3 or more payouts, 8. Oh my God. I remember I was short. I was trying to go short at 58. Fucking piece of shit. Their end of day 50K accounts have 1K daily draw. No, it's a daily loss limit. You don't lose the account though. You just can't trade for the rest of the day. It's a soft breach. Coach Singh. Yeah, I think so. Let me see. Let me put an order here. Buy. That one of them got canceled. One of them got rejected. And then this one I just canceled. But I don't know what I want to do here. But shit, I had a shorter that I canceled at 58. That would have given me 20 points right there. We've literally gone nowhere. This is power hour, right? This is when I got on the stream right here. We've gone nowhere. Josh, yeah, I'm net positive with Apex by like 30 grand. 35 grand, some shit like that. I did the math months ago. They call that spoofing? Jesus Christ. What am I supposed to do? I didn't like the fucking order. I canceled. I fucking pussied out. But this is a live environment. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. What am I supposed to do? I don't like what I see. Let's see here. Spoof these nuts. They can spoof these nuts. We've basically been in this fucking flag. It ain't coming down here. Logan, what up? Yep. This is it right here. There's no consistency rule, but apparently there's a buffer. Yeah, I'm trading on the exchange. I just fucked somebody out of a position because I canceled my order. Richwalla, what up? $3,000, Logan. Josh, they went up with the MOC. Hey, nice. Nice job. Hey, you got lucky. Where you been? Hanging out with other streamers? Just for the record, I had an order short 58. It went down to 35. Fuck me. I like to spoof with my one contract. The buffer's 3,100, apparently, according to their FAQ. What are we doing, man? SpaceX is getting fucked. Yo, let me know when SpaceX is down to 20. I'm going to fucking back the truck up. Nice, Richwalla. Since February, you took a little breather. Okay. What up, Tay-Day? The end of day does. I mean, there might be a discounted lifetime activation fee with the end of days, but the intradays are $59. Richwalla, I went on my banger run ended in February, and then like it's been a little bit of a rough patch since then. But I'm back on the right path. I'm getting payouts again. Canceling isn't spoofing. Okay, great, thank you. I don't know. I think no. Any $500 is the minimum request. So I don't know. I really don't know. Richwalla, thank you. Appreciate it. Glad, it's always good to see you. Dude, it seems that way. Mike, it does seem that way. Watch. Safety net. I have to build a fucking safety net. Once the profit balance is reached 3,100, the end of day drawdown will stop and the maximum loss limit will be locked at plus 100. If the account balance dips down to $100 or below, the live account will be closed. The $3,100 safety net is maintained in the account to allow buffer cushion for drawdown. Payout requests are not available on safety net balances until account closure. Payout requests can be made on profit amounts above the safety net level of 3,100. This shit is confusing. So I got to grow this fucking thing to like 4,000 before I could safely request money. Don't worry. Oh my God. Of course I canceled that fucking short. I could trade with 10 minis right now. Bullhead, yeah, it feels that way. It's worse. Which while he's still banned on Apex, I mean, trade with Lucid. If you haven't tried Lucid yet, get a Flex. Flex is the 30% off. If you've never had an account with them, you could get 50% off your first account, I think. Any type of account. The pros are 40% off. Look at this shit. I'm so fucking glad I canceled another order. I'm the fucking king of canceling orders, bro. Bangers. Where is this? Interesting. It's not going to flush. Nope. I almost got fucked there. I hate trading this shit. Today's price action was fucking frustrating as fucking hell. Frustrating as a motherfucker. There. Frustrating as a motherfucker today. But yet, past the smash. Like, I went through so much fucking hell and agony to get, because I was in trouble from the jump. You know how hard I worked to get these $50 on these accounts? Let me lock myself. Actually, I'm not going to lock myself out. You never know, guys. I didn't even trade my trade days. All right, same to you, Richwalla, man. Thanks for popping on. Trading these Bullinoxes was pretty easy. This was easy. This was an easy $531 in both accounts, in my leader and my follower on my fundeds. But then I started, and then it just was. I mean, look what we've basically, that fucking, nothing's happened really. I mean, in what hours? So a cuck zone here, we went a little higher. Cuck zone. We're just in this cuck zone range here. Uh-oh. Rich Waller, thank you, man. Thank you, bro. You didn't have to do that, but I really appreciate it. Thank you, man. Kevin Tobias, yeah, I'm trading it right now. Well, I'm trying to. I missed out on a fucking banger that went down 30 points because I canceled like a little fucking bitch. P. Really? Hit them up, man. Hit up their support. Yo, Mike, I was screaming at myself. I was screaming at myself for the same fucking reason. I'm like, oh my God. I kept fucking myself up. I kept fucking going back down. It was torture. And I knew. I didn't lock myself out, but I fucking knew. I knew that once I got here, if I tried to trade again, like right after, I would have fucked myself somehow. So I just stopped. But I'm not locked out. I didn't lock myself out. You never know. Never say never. All right, be good, Rich Waller. Thanks again, man. Fire Flame. Apparently it is. Apparently I have $3,000. I can't go down $3,000. And I have a $1,000 daily loss limit. Get the fuck down there! Get the fuck down there! Is that all I got? Oh shit, I need 3,000 more! I need 3,000 more for the buffer, guys! Let's go! Drop it! 3,000 more for the... First fucking trades in my Apex Live account, guys. The account that so many said I would never get, guys. There it is. First trade in the live account, guys. I'm probably gonna get shaken out here. I don't care. I'm fucking green. I'm fucking green everywhere. No. Go down more, please. I'm probably getting shaken out here. I don't care. I'm green, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Go down 150 points. No. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Woo. I'm fucking rich. I'm fucking rich. Oh, no, don't come back up. Yeah. 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 Oh, shit. We bombing somebody? We bombing Iran? Let's go. Hey, we fucking did it, Joe. I hope you didn't fucking fade me. We all know the faders ain't gonna fucking say shit, though. They only have something to say when they win. Right? We already know. I'm probably going to get shaken out here, but I hope it goes down more. I might get taken out here. Come on, please. Please. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Get down there, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yeah. I should have full ported. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, clear this, clear this, clear this, clear this. Clear this shit right here. Yeah. Oh, worth the wait, guys. Worth the wait. Gotta be patient, guys. Worth the fucking wait. Hey, oh no, hey, hey, $389 to make them holla. I'll take it. Hey, Jose Carlos. Yeah, that's my live Apex. Don't let Dan know you got a live account with Apex. Michael Gianos. Having to get over a buffer in a live account is straight up BS. Yeah, well, I'm not. They're trying to literally not have to come out of pocket at all. They want their initial investment in me back. I can, Clinvale, but I gotta get JP. Thank you, sir. I gotta get better. Thank you, guys. Thanks, guys. Enzo, GCTA. Yo, you know how many times I fucked myself on Fridays? Not this week. Raphael, what up? Make him holla. Call me Jane, Fred. 0 Day Jane. $3,100. It's a tall task, but hey, I can do it. I can do it, guys. This is gonna keep going down. I just feel it in my balls. But I don't need to fuck with it. Here. I'll put an order. I got an order. I'll put an order right here. But I'll wait. I don't want to spoof. With no spoofing. 0 Day Jane here. 0 Day Jane here, guys. I had a little bit more. What did I have? 60, 40. I had another $80. Whatever. We'll see. This is like a 618 though, with this low. If I draw a happy little fucking Fibonacci right here, guys. Right fucking here. Oh, it's a 707, even better. If you wanted to go long. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to fuck with this shit. Smooth operator. Leo, what's up? Jane here. 0 Day Jane here. And when we talk Jane, it's Jayne, okay, guys? It's missing the lockout. Do they even offer that on a live account, though? Does Trade Evade offer that? Is that a feature on a live account? I don't know. That was a nice little bounce off the 707. Not a huge move, 11 points or whatever, but you know. You know what I'm saying, guys? What's it want to do? I mean, even we're still in this fucking range. We're still in this cuck zone range here. Happy little bounce right there for 13, 14 points. Any earnings? Not on a Friday. Nothing. Not earnings. We're about to get some crazy earnings soon. Let's see. This week, Delta had earnings today before the open. But next week is going to be I think starting next week, we're going to start seeing like all the tech earnings and shit like that. Logan, thank you. Yeah, apparently a bunch of shit. Raider, I don't know, man. I guess we'll find out. Alfred. Yeah, no lockout on a live account. It's not just an Apex thing. It's not just an Apex thing. Only ways. What up? This shit. And I only have data. I only have CME data. What is gold really doing right now? Oh, gold did pop. What the fuck? You see this right here? Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Almost a 786 bounce. 170 fucking tick bounce. It took forever, but it happened. Look at this. Is just disgusting. Disgusting. Didn't even get to trade my trade day. Should I fuck with my eval right now? I don't know. I lost money yesterday. Not a lot, but enough to fucking piss me off. You know? You know what I'm saying, chat? This is just gross. Let's go in with 3. That's fucking smart. Got your first payout in 7 months. Good shit, man. May the next payout not take 7 months. Maybe you'll do it in 7 days. Raphael, great job. 14K from Apex so far feels great when you get on a run. 10K from Take Profit. 10K, is that like you need 10K to get oh, you got 10K from 24 grand from 2 different fucking prop firms, bro. That's fucking great, man. It isn't easy. It is not easy. You should be proud of yourself. This shit is fucking hard. Trading is fucking hard, guys. Don't let anybody tell you anything else. It's fucking hard. It's not too easy, guys. It's not too easy. That was a nice trade, though. It's not easy, guys. That's what she said. Wiz, thank you. Appreciate it. I wonder if less people came on my stream today because I had Apex Trader Funding in my fucking title. That'd be funny. Everybody that was like, "Oh, you're never gonna get it." Where are they? It's so easy to lose, Maximus. It's so much easier to lose. So easy. It's so easy to just be a dumb fuck and just do something that you're like, why the fuck did I just do that? It really is when it comes to this shit. We're going up another leg here. Like right here. Like, I don't want to spoof it. Hell yeah, Fred. Hell yeah. It is a good Friday, guys. It's a great Friday. I'm fucking green everywhere. I'm green on my Apex Trader Funding Live account. That's right. You heard it here. You heard it here correctly and first. My Apex Trader Funding Live account that people said I would never get. I'd never be able to trade with them again. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm fucking green. Well, I'm actually being transitioned to fucking live. I got to go through the shit. I can't trade with Lucid anymore until I set this up. I'm going to have live Lucid account or accounts. I have no idea. But I was on fucking day 3 on these two. Well, today would have been day 4. Today would have been day 4. And then today I was working on my first day since getting a payout on this one. I didn't get to trade my trade days yet, chat. And I might not. I got this funded trade day I haven't touched yet. I didn't touch it yesterday either. And then I did, even though I'm only up $50 on this Take Profit Trader funded accounts here, I was down like 1,000. So I'll take it. Ree, you having a good day, huh, Ree? Let's see here. Show the chat, chat. I don't see it, Ree. Oh, yesterday. Yeah, that's a good run. That's a nice little run here. Very nice. We love to see it. We love to see it. I got a calendar I could show you guys, but it's not correct. The calendar is not correct. Although I haven't had a red day yet. This is not correct. The day, like what day? Like I traded on this day, but it blended. This is the first day I traded my funded futures account. Bullinox. This is Bullinox. I got like only 150 or 160 bucks on the first day, and then I got like 5 something on this day, and then I got and then I got something here, and then I got something here. So it's fucking wrong. I have 8 days traded. I traded 8 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe Friday the 3rd. I didn't trade that day. I didn't touch the accounts that day. Unless I did the night before. No, that was that was the holiday. So this is, take this with a grain of salt, chat. This calendar is fucked. I don't know why it did that though. I have 8 days traded. Photoshop. This shit went a little higher. Yeah, only ways. I don't want live accounts. I don't want fucking live accounts. If I had to choose, I would take the only one I would want to go live with is Take Profit Trader. But I don't really have a choice. The only choice I have, the options are take the fucking live account or don't trade with them anymore. So obviously I'm taking the live account. It's their world. We just live in it. That's what she said. So I don't know. I don't know, chat. Oh shit. Just trust me. Stay in sim as stay in sim as long as possible, guys. Stay in sim as long as possible, chat. Gross. Gross. Agent Jay Claude did all the trading. Yeah, blackout news. Yeah, I mean it's Friday. Lucid Live accounts have daily payouts. Yeah, a lot of them do. A lot of them do. Trade day, not so much. Trade day, you have to tell them you want to request a payout. But even like with my fund, the futures, you can request daily. But like at the same time, I couldn't trade the account. I couldn't touch the account until they pulled the money out of the account because it's a real account. It's a real brokerage account. Marcin, any intraday Apex account is $59. Now the other shit, the end of day activation fee, it probably varies. Intraday, $59 on the 25K, $59 on the 50K. This is intraday. $59 on the 100K and $59 on the 150K. Intraday trailing. You could buy 5 packs on these fucking things. Did they get rid of 5 packs? Oh no, they did. No, they did. Yo, you could buy 5 packs. 59 and 17 is 66. I don't fuck with the 25Ks. You only get $1,000 of drawdown. 19 and 59. $58. No, $78 all in. That's okay. That's not great. But like you could fucking blow accounts if you want. You know, you don't have to worry about the higher cost of the no activation fee account. End of day 50K. End of day 50K is 119. End of day 25K 99. End of day 100K 139. End of day 150K 159. 90% off all this shit. 90 fucking percent off all of this shit. Use the best code 0DayJ. If you want to support the channel, 5 packs. That's where your best bang for your money is, no matter what kind of account you buy. Anyway, let's see what the fuck is going on here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Fuck yeah, Jack Boom. Hell yeah. They're using Ninja Trader. Logan, Ninja Trader. Digital Nukes. Yo. Trader J, what's good? This fucking niacin is kicking in right now. I feel it. D-Walk, guys. Hey, everybody. D-Walk's here, guys. Yeah. Apex is using Top Step as a broker. They're using Death Row Capital. They're using Death Row Capital. Matt Leach fucked up. He should have named this shit Death Row Capital. I stand by that. We literally fucking died here. What the fuck? It's all right. I grew my live account by $389, guys. Could have got a little bit more, but not much. Like another $80 maybe. Yeah, $80. Only ways. What about Trade Iffy? What about them? They're on my radar. I might start trading with them. I'm waiting on some crazy promotion. Trade if you want. I am fucking green everywhere. That's right, Logan. I'm fucking green everywhere. I'm fucking green here. I'm fucking green here. I'm green fucking here. I'm green fucking here. I'm even fucking green here. And I was red as fuck in these. I haven't traded these yet, so I'm not anything here. But I am fucking green everywhere. I've been having a lot of green everywhere type of days lately, which is good. Got to keep it going, guys. Something to do with Iran, but something big. Always green J, never red J. Full tilt. That's a bold name to call myself. A doctor's green. I'm fucking green everywhere, says Dr. Seuss. Marcine's buying the Apex 50K. What's the best code? 0 day fucking J. 0 day J. Let me spell it for you. ZERODA. Oh, Gem Drafter, what up? This is an Apex account. This is my live Apex account. That's the fucking code, 0 day J. Not only does it get you 90% off Apex, it gets you 40% off Take Profit Trader with no activation fee, 40% off Lucid Pros, 30% off Lucid Flex and the straight to funded, 50% off Trade Day with no activation fee, no activation fee with Take Profit Trader or Lucid, 20% off My Fund the Future Rapids, 50% off Bob the Builders, 89% off Lucid, although I got to hit them up and ask them if it's still 89% off. I got to check with Bull and Ox. And then I think that's everything. I don't know what the actual win rate is. I just know it has the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop from Streets. That's the only data I have. Scott, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh my God. I mean, it's finally doing something, but it basically came all the way back up here. That's crazy, guys. 24-point bounce off the 707, with this being the low and this being the high. You see, guys, watch this, guys. Here's your fucking high. Here's your fucking low. Boom, 707. It's that easy, guys. You see, guys? Killing it with the Take Profit Trader account. Killing it. But I was down a fuck ton, so I don't care. I'll take it. See, look, my gross P&L is 155, but I paid a lot in fees, guys. What am I overall with this shit? My overall win rate since I got these accounts is 67.86%, guys. My average winning trade is 164. My average losing trade is 175 because I leave so much on the fucking table. This shit, I could have already gotten payouts on these fucking accounts, but no. I don't hold long enough. That's what she said. Oh shit, we're gonna fucking dump. It came to the same level and then rejected. Which was a 707 on this low and this from this high and this low. 707 right there, guys. You love to see it. You love to see it, chat. I would like to trade some more, but, you know, I don't know. This shit ain't fucking really doing anything right now. You know? You know what I'm saying, chat? Oh. This shit ain't fucking moving. What's crude doing? Everything's just going sideways. Gold fucking popped, though. Gold popped nicely right here. And then it did. Now it's doing the same shit. This is like whatever. I'm like, can I fucking trade? Can I do something here? But what am I going to do? What are we going to do about this? I wonder how long it's going to take for me to get my live account from Lucid. Maybe next week? Hey, anyone who's gone live with Lucid, let me know how long it took. Let me know in the chat. Thanks, chat. Roberto. I'm fucking green everywhere. I'm green here in my live Apex account. I'm green in my funded Bolonox accounts. Day 8 locked. Day 8. How hard can it be to get 300 and, well, I really need $395 to get a max payout with Bolonox over the next 2 days. Maybe it'll take me longer. I don't know, but I want to get it done, obviously. I'm fucking green in my take profit traders. That's all the accounts I traded. I did not get to trade my trade days yet. K-Spec, I know, it's fucking rough. It's Friday. Next week will get busier again. Next week we got a bunch of shit. We got a bunch of earnings next week. Let's see what's going on. July 13th. FOMC member Bowman and Waller speak. July 14th. USD core CPI. CPI. You got CPI on fucking Tuesday. You got the governor from the Bank of England speaking also. right as the market closes. That should be fun. Member bar. Is that the same bar that was the fucking Fed Chairman Warsh testifies? He's going to testify. Basically, which means he's not going to answer any fucking questions asked of him. He's going to not say a fucking thing. Wednesday. PPI. Empire State Manufacturing Index. Another testifying of the Warsh guy. Thursday the 16th. Unemployment claims, retail sales, manufacturing index, blah, blah, blah. Bunch of FOMC fucking jerk-offs talking. And we got some, like, earnings next week. We got some earnings that are going to be good. And we're not fucking moving anywhere over here. GB. 2 weeks. Okay. Blackout News Network. I know, it's bad. Psychic, what up? It's daily and end of day, but I have a $3,100 buffer. A safety net. Only ways, hey, as long as you're still up. Elevated Life. Yeah, tell them. Tell them Elevated Life's the best fucking code ever. Wiz, you're up 12K on your 25K Bolonox account? Jesus. On a funded? You know they have a 40% consistency rule? Nathaniel Jones, yeah. But it is a little costly. I wouldn't trade with Bolonox. So here's the double-edged sword on Bolonox. If you want to get practicing with cheap evals, Bolonox is a great option. But the activation fee is $148 on a fucking 50K. And it's a lot worse on the bigger size accounts. So I wouldn't get anything bigger than a 50K. So you have that. What I recommend with Bolonox is if you become somewhat of a habitual payout receiver, it's just another place that you could fucking grow accounts and get payouts with. And they pay. Otherwise, because Apex is doing these 90% off deals, it might be better, especially with the activation fees being $59 on intraday. However, also with Bolonox, for example, the 25Ks and the 50Ks, the 25Ks have $1,500 of drawdown you get intraday. They also have end-of-day accounts, though, but not a 25K on the end of day. I think it starts at 50K with the end of day, but the 50Ks are $2,500 of drawdown. What other prop firm gives you $2,500 of drawdown now on a 50K account? Yeah, Wiz, yeah. See, due to flip days, you're good on consistency. What did you do on a flip day that they considered a flip day and they didn't want to pay? I always go by the rule of thumb. Don't let any of your 8 trading days that you could use be less than 20% of your best day. Coach Fred, it's 59 now. 59. Look. Intraday. 59. They just announced it. Any size intraday account is $59 to activate. That's the 25K. That's the 50K. That's the 100K. And you already saw the 150K, but we'll go to it again. There it is. $59 to make them holla. Yeah. Yeah. Use the best fucking code 0DJ. What's going on here? Yeah, you should be good, Wiz. They don't really fuck around all that much. K-Spec, they're always fucking running crazy deals. But all of these firms, a lot of these firms basically have the same type of accounts and with the same similar rules. There's so much parity. There's so much fucking parity. This shit is not moving. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to fucking hop off or just call it a day, and it's going to fucking start going crazy. It's going to start going fucking crazy. Apple sues OpenAI for trade secret theft in blockbuster case. Uh-oh. Where's the fucking reaction? There was no reaction. Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson. Apple, our employees were encouraged to share information. Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson. We did not request negotiations with U.S., but we accept the Qatari mediator's trip to Iran. U.S. Department of War announces $850 million contract award to Lockheed Martin in April. Damn. Where's the button? Coach Fred, yes, 90% is still active on Apex. 90% off with the best code, 0DayJ. Fuck that save now code. Any prop firm's in-house code is dog shit. 90% off with the best fucking code, 0DayJ. Still could get these 5-packs. Look, intraday trailing fucking 5-packs, $17 each on the 25Ks, $19 each on the 50Ks, $35 each on the 100Ks. The 100Ks might be the best plan available now at Apex. And the 150Ks are $49 each. A 100K, all in 35 and 59. 60 and 34, $94 for a 100K. They might be the best account. That extra $1,000 of drawdown goes, it's important. You think the Lucid Pros are the best? I still like the Flexes more, but the Lucid Pros are a lot better now that they got rid of the daily loss limit. There's no daily loss limit on Lucid Pros, which is awesome. They just did that. What's going on here? Nothing. Apex does have DLL on funded accounts. On their funded accounts, they do have a daily loss limit. It's a soft breach. And then I think on the end of day evals, there's a daily loss limit. No daily loss limit on the 250K legacy. I don't know if you can still get those. You might be able to. Today was awful. But I'm fucking green everywhere. It didn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. I'm still fucking green everywhere I traded. Chat. We did it, Joe. Can I slip in a fucking trade here on my trade day? I don't fucking know. Is it even worth it? Does it even matter? Shit ain't fucking moving. It ain't fucking moving. God, Leo. Hey, Leo. Fucking, you might need to put sunglasses on. I'm so fucking green. Look at this shit. We're moving 3 or 4 candles at a time now. 3 or 4 points at a time per candle. Gross. I mean, it's working its way up. It's grinding up very slowly. But whatever. For Earnings Whisper, I don't. Somebody... don't worry. Nao will post it on see, look here. Nao always posts it in the weekly news outlook. Nao will post she'll post like the Forex calendar, Forex Factory calendar, all the fucking like data, the data release information, and then any earnings every week she posts it. So on Monday or Sunday night, she'll have it posted in here in the best fucking community. Let me drop the link for the best fucking community on these platform streets. While it's free, it's still free for now. Here's the fucking link. If you want to hang out in the best community with a bunch of awesome people, and some, we got a lot of really good traders in there. And we got people that are growing. We're all growing together, guys. There's the link. It's free for now. Oh, shit. It's pumping. Imagine it makes a new fucking high before the day's over. See, like, trade, is it worth it to fuck with trade day? I'm running out of time anyway. I got 2 minutes of trading left. It's not even worth it. It's okay. Guess what I didn't do? I didn't lose money on these. But I think I'm going to fucking call it. Because, honestly, I got 2 minutes on these. I got 2 minutes on this Apex because the cutoff is at 4:50 p.m. Eastern. Let me make sure I don't have any open fucking orders, which I don't. Trade day pay policy, is it? I don't think it's that bad. Depends on what account you trade. It's interesting. You could take money out whenever you want, basically, if you have as much as 250 on those quick pays, but it's a 50-50 split until you get over the buffer. But I get it. And then the fast pass accounts are just like Lucid, all these other platforms that let you trade for 5 days for X amount of days. Apex has that now. You know what I mean? It's all the same shit. They're all the fucking same. Black magic. I got sent live, not instantly though. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done looking at this shit. I mean, whatever happens now, what do I have? I got a minute left to trade in trade day or Apex. I got fucking 6 minutes left to trade and take profit trader. Not even worth it. I don't need to. I'm locked out of my bull and oxes. I'm locked the fuck out of this shit. So there's nothing more for me to do. And I wasn't going to trade these anymore anyway. They're up a fuck ton. So I'm going to bounce. I was K-Spec. I was trading the Bob the Builder and the Rapid. But the Bob the Builder is why I got pushed live with My Fund the Futures. I got 5 payouts on that shit. And they pushed me live because that's what they said would happen. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. Smash the like button. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I stream every single day for Power Hour, 2 through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I have been trading during New York earlier in the day. I try to hop on. I do try to hop on an extra, I'm just trying to make an effort to hop on more often. But I'm always on for Power Hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Use the best code 0DayJ if you want to grab accounts at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, My Fund the Futures, or Bull and Ox. If you need to grab accounts and you want to support the channel. If not, you're here. And I appreciate the support. So with that said, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.